In cage culture, fish cages are placed in lakes, ponds, rivers or oceans to contain and protect fishes and prawns until they can be harvested. They can be constructed of a wide variety of components like funtos, net, seeds. Fishes are stocked in cages, fed and harvested when they reach market size. Cage culture allows production in a natural way in a specifically built enclosure containing fresh water. The cage culture being operated by Fortune Aqua are big and extensive projects. The cages are considerably deep to raise good number of fishes and prawns. Moreover, the process adopted is completely organic and meets environment safety standards. After hatching, the fingerlings that are obtained are transferred into the cages which are at the Pench Reservoir. Pench Reservoir is at a distance of 65 kilometers from Nagpur. In the Pench Reservoir, there are cages into which the fingerlings are transferred into the fresh water. The fishes are now in a natural habitat in the cage where they are timely and properly fed. Each cage is having the dimension of 6 by 4 by 4 in meters, consisting 96 cubic meter of volume. Each cage can contain up to 10,000 fully grown fishes of weight 500 grams to 1 kg each. The total weight of crop is 5 ton over 6 months with the average weight of 80 to 100 ton. And the sale is 4 lakhs per cage per crop. Fortune Aqua is having a total water spread up area of 30,000 hectares across Vidarbha, the central part of India, with the major projects being Asola Mendha, Pujari Tola, Itihado, Pench. All the sites within the radius of 150 kilometers from Nagpur head office. Fortune Aqua has hatcheries at Gondia district near Itihado Dam, 160 kilometers from Nagpur. The area of the hatchery is 37 acres. In this hatchery, major hatching and breeding processes which are as follows. Catching broodals. The first thing in the process of breeding is to catch broodals. We have to catch them carefully so that no harm is done to them. Checking male or female. After catching the broodals, we check their sex, whether they are male or female fish. Injecting. The next step in this process is injecting. The male and female fishes are injected accordingly with respect to their body weights. Breeding tanks. The fishes are then put into the breeding tank. A proper environment for breeding is set up by using the proper external and internal environment. The fishes are observed for a period of around 6 hours where they mate and females give eggs. If the weather is cold, they give eggs about in 4 hours. An average female fish gives about 80 to 90,000 eggs at a time, depending on their weight. Boiler tank. As the fishes gives eggs, with the help of constant flowing water, the eggs are diverted towards the boiler tank. The water flows in circular manner. This is done with great precaution, as if the flow is large, it may harm the eggs. Churning is set. After the eggs are transferred into the boiler tank, the churning process is started, where the churning rate is set at 1 round per minute. The tank is inspected time to time for proper churning. Checking for spawn. After 12 hours, the eggs are again observed for their conditions. We check whether the eggs have developed into spawns or not. Scrubbing. If they are developed into spawns, then a scrub rope is immersed into the tank. This scrub rope acts as a surface to which the outer enclosure of the eggs sticks to the scrub and breaks, setting the spawn free so that it comes out of the egg. Checking spawn condition. After the spawn breaks free of its egg, it is repeatedly inspected. The spawns are kept under observation. After inspecting their condition, Potassium permanganate is injected into the tank according to the requirements. After that, the fishes are fed properly. Transfer. After a period of 72 hours, when the fingerlings are properly fed, they are transferred from boiler tank and sent into either packing or put into the cages where they grow into full fishes. Fishery is a rising industry in India and contributes about 1% of the annual GDP. Kolkata and Mumbai are the biggest consumers as well as producers of fish, and with the prime location for business in Asia markets as well as Indian markets, with a vision to take Vidarbha on a global scenario. Fortune Aqua is working in the direction to get the best out of things. With hard work as well as smart work, we are sure to ring our bells of success. So if you want to earn such a fantastic profit and be the part of revolution of fishery industry in India, Fortune Aqua is the right place you are looking for. We grow along with the people who join and unite with us. Thank you.